We do some jazz, okay?
Yeah.
Wait. One, two, three.
So guys, it was a great memory of Stjepan Hauser in Italy. He has a sound check and he was testing his soundtrack in this video. And we see Stjepan Hauser very busy every time, every day and every hour. When he has a show, he not only perform his cello on the show for 6 to 7 hours continuously, but he also has a practice section and he also visit the arena. He have a great time with his teamwork and team members and also other worker. He talked to them. He have a great relationship with everyone, and every time we see him busy, he is busy in different things. He is busy always providing entertainment for his fans on stage, off stage, on social media accounts and also on other platforms. We see him on every social media platform where he update and entertain fans. But in this video you see he has a soundtrack checking and we see him very happy with his team worker, and we see that he has a great time in offstage arena. So that's it guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, then hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more these kind of videos and update. So stay tuned with us. See you soon in next video. Till that, bye bye, take care of yourself, your loved ones and people around you. Stay smart, stay blessed, stay smiley and stay happy forever.